Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. Fans of the TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Charlie Wako, Charlie's Bay.
Charlie Wako Kai.
Charlie Wako, Charlie's Bay.
Dangis Tibo.
Yeah.
Ay mfana ngiphelelwe amazwi.
Out of where?
Out of words mangibheke eForce le wayifakile.
Yenzeni?
Last number ntwana yo. Mara sikho da.
Manchadi.
Asikho da.
Udlale kanjani?
Asiyene ebholeni. Hayi last number eForce yakho.
Manchadi man.
Mara sikho da.
Ngihlekisa ngalaba.
Astrete da. Yes Tibo.
Ngiyangipayizisa.
Hayi avela siqeda interview. Into zokutshela yona nina. Ezama Sundowns.
Ole dlamaya,
Asikho.
uzothi listop ungiphela impahla.
I want you last time. Stibo. Ezi Sundowns ni. Ukutshela vandag ni. Asipheli moya. Le lose ya vandag.
Inkosi wena.
Ndiye Sundowns.
Ekhaya utyaphela imoto.
Amakhosi wonke ngaphela umoya. Nathi singama Sundowns siphela.
Yes.
Hayi labana baphela ukudala umoya labana.
Amakhosi
Sabahamba flat. Bahamba flat baphela ukudala umoya. Bambelana. Sorry mo. Bambi flash. Njwe. Today abambi clash uchahe. Igame of course igame plan ye Pirates basebenzele.
Sure.
Esayidini la.
Yes.
Bawina. Sidliwe. Bagale ntwana bathini? Man of the match yangazi bathi ubande scorer lesi.
Mboga. TLP.
Bathi TLP score le scorer lesi.
Mboga.
Mara bachika ama-fans ePirates bathi uRibeiro bekangekho. Bamgaya man of the match for ina. Ngibeka ama kuRibeiro. Because he's the best player kuphiye ku Betway.
Yes.
Because beka make uRibeiro that's why bamgaya man of the match.
Yes.
uRibeiro
wesidlile last time. Washaya 2 goals.
That's why ngisho nithi uRibeiro bekangekho egamini Vandag.
Yes.
Because of Bogas. He pickpocketed him umfana.
No, if ungabheka le ntwana mancane sana imancane. Uma ungabheka le ntwana ne yona iyadlala is good at marking but he can't play ibhola. If you ubhekile ibhola ne. If you ubhekile ibhola ne. How many passes did he make?
How many passes did he make?
How many passes did he make?
What was he assigned to do?
To mark and pass, my friend. To mark and pass. You must do 2 things ebholeni. You must mark and pass. Le bhola yokumaka isekho yakudala yabo Cyril Nzama. Sasebenza. Manje defense asobona ugoalkeeper wethu uRowan Williams akwazi ukudlala ibhola.
Just stick to your tactics. No. Cardoso wakho.
My guy.
Leave Oscar Ribeiro.
No, I'm talking the facts.
Ribeiro played 5 defenders today.
I'm a fan.
Uthi umbokaza akakhona ukudlala.
Akakwazi ukudlala ibhola. He's good at marking. He's good at marking. No, one day.
uRibeiro wakhe simthina
Hayi, lemndoda lemnyama. Coach ayizwakala. But angekho la. Nama ngihamba namasundowns. Angikho yiwani.
LSTibo.
Thank you masundowns.
Ngihlaletse kone.
Thank you masundowns.
Come 2 games ne. Mbokazi akasiri right go Sundowns. Akasiri go Sundowns 2 games. Bona ke ba batla go Fanelani Bank. Akasiri right.
Never.
Ke ba batla go Cape akasiri right. O tla ba swile khale. Agere batho ba mo fa chance today. Ribeiro. Yeah, we let to la ka sepita.
Today fela.
Mr. Kat, come. No, you must stand next to me.
Why to go frostana vyane?
Wow, zikabhlunga.
Over. Mara, there's something that you got wrong.
Sure, coach.
You can't say Mbokazi doesn't play, my brother.
He doesn't play.
No, wait.
No, let's be honest,
wait.
coach.
Yeah, let's try and break it down. Mbokazi just doesn't clear. It's just that the difference between Sundowns and Pirates is how we play. Pirates is not a ball-playing team like Sundowns is.
Sure. Yes.
Don't be mistaken of that.
Sure, you're right,
but give the boy the credit. The boy can play. There's a ball where I'm marking na Kasongo, number 10. I mark a anchor from spy 2 come raw. I'll go boxing. I clear a ball with I pass. Now, this is what I need you to do. I wanna cause Happy birthday to the boy again. My favorite player.
Malibo.
Yeah, Malibo. Yeah,
He can
that
play.
boy is-
Yeah.
He can play. But look at what's the difference between Mbogazi and Khoza. Yeah? The difference between the two is, even on big games, who starts between the two?
Between Umbogazi and Khoza. Umbogazi.
Yeah. How many games does Mbogazi has in PSL? Not more than 5.
Yes.
I think 3.
Khoza has more than that, but he's not trusted enough to play Pirates.
No, come.
I just don't want to argue.
Let me tell you something.
We are moving.
Yes.
We are moving.
See, now Sundowns, we got equality. There's too much quality, bro. Can play anyone at any time.
Ati niyamthemba uKhoza na.
Siyamthemba uKhoza. Whoever simfaka egroundini, which means siyamthemba. Thina si replace Umbogazi is playing Khoza usesane ulimele.
Why is Deruk?
Ati waya ngadlali nePirates.
Why is Rushin Deruk?
Baba Kante, you're quiet.
Let him finish.
Baba Kante, you're quiet.
Me, I'm coming. I'm not quiet.
You're quiet.
Me, I'm not quiet.
Why is Malibonga Khoza not playing against Pirates?
Listen, I wasn't in training, first of all.
Yeah.
I wasn't in team meetings.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I wasn't there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Us as the Yellow Nation,
Yes.
we trust our management.
Whatever is there on the field, we trust.
That's a lie.
When it brings us a win, when it brings us a draw, when it brings us a loss,
Sure.
we trust. They say, we're ambying with who? Management, bruh.
Yeah.
When they sing that song, Tate Motsepe,
Yeah.
they sing him.
Yes.
They sing his name.
Management.
Who else do they sing? They sing the name of the coach.
Yeah.
Now and then when it's a player, they sing the name of the player. What am I saying? At the end of the game, we clap hands. What do we say? We love you.
All of them.
Galtois. Every player.
Every player. Not you.
Player, it's not only players that come to sing us the song with us. It's not only players.
Yeah.
It's the team as a whole. Management are there.
Yes.
So when we clap our hands and say we love you, we're not restricting or excluding anybody.
Individual. We're not talking about individuals. If you say we love you, we're talking about the whole team. Just listen to me. I need to talk to you with the circumstances, what happened on the camp. I need to be fair and clear, my friend. Yeah. I need to be fair and clear.
Men of the match.
Men of the match. Men of the match.
Men of the match. Yeah, men
Yeah,
of the match.
bafethu ushaya kochadi Spain. Ngajahe Sandawana kufene ngena shirt mara bayazi noma ngiyakubasha ukuthi nadi Sandawana. Ngena skip. Yeah.
Awusanasi iskipper.
Ngizosithola ngitshela ukuthi sami is tailor made siyeza. Yeah. Ngizosinikeza ngo-Ivory bathi ubani ukhobo ubani. uDr Mtsimbu uzongilethela so. uDr Mtsimbu uzosiletha. Ima kancane. Hayi nawe ungavumi intozizwanga wena manje suka. Hayi man of the match ngu-Alende bafethu. Alende is the man of the match.
Hayi nawe.
Nayi le ndoda emnyama. Nayi le ndoda emnyama.
Thank you, Chalo.
Thank you, Chalo.
Thank you for your patience.